Hockey Canada says it's taking steps with its members toward repairing its broken reputation.
We had a lot of tough and frank conversations. We've heard what you had to say, and we will make the necessary changes to bring more people and diverse culture to the table.
This weekend, those changes involved creating a new process for choosing the next board of directors. So far, those include having applications reviewed and vetted by an independent committee, and having the next board members serve one-year terms rather than the standard 2.
I think it's really positive that they are being transparent and taking steps to ensure there's trust around the process of rebuilding the board. But crucial is also going to be simply having the right people around the table.
The one-year term, I don't see it as being congruent with what Justice Cromwell recommended.
Former Supreme Court Justice Thomas Cromwell's recommendations focused on Hockey Canada's governance structure and the reserve fund used to settle sexual assault allegations.
In governance terms, significant reforms take 2 or 3 years. And that's the reason for the justice's recommendation of 3-year terms from 2-year terms.
The election to select the transition board is set for December 17th. Those watching hope new members can help turn the organization around.
Sometimes it's really good to bring in outside perspectives as well, who have lots of expertise in the area that you need, and I think that will help to change the culture.
Hockey Canada says this is just the first round of changes, as it continues to work on regaining the trust of Canadians and addressing systemic issues within the sport. Talia Ricci, CBC News, Toronto.